Hey everyone, so it's an announcement video. I've been dying to do this video for quite some time and share what I've been working on for quite some time as well. For those of you who have been following me for quite some time, okay, I kind of really like to use those words. You guys might have guessed what I've been doing in my spare time. I wouldn't even say spare time, it has taken over my life. But if you want to find out more, stay tuned. So do you guys know what it is yet? No? Didn't you guess from the teaser? No? If you didn't, it's okay. I finally launched my serum. I don't even know how I'm saying this. And to finally say after 3 years that you guys can use my serum that I've legit put blood, sweat and tears. You might get a whiff of blood, sweat and tears in the serum. Okay, no you won't, I was just playing by the way. Okay, yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into it and show you guys my serum. It sounds so weird saying my serum. Can you tell I'm very, 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 very excited right now. This is the packaging of the serum. It is my brand Maliha Serum 001. It's a complexion boosting antioxidant pearl oil. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the serum now. Ew, why do I sound constipated? This is an emotional time for me. So the name Maliha derives from the planet of pearls. That's what Maliha means, but it's short for my name as well. So they kind of work both hand in hand together. The serum itself contains freshwater pearls, black seed, frankincense, grapeseed, lavender, sweet orange, and vitamin E. Now these ingredients are organic certified as well. So that's exactly what I wanted to offer for you guys with my serum. It's also 100% cruelty free. Each ingredient that I've mentioned has a different element of benefiting the skin. So together it is a multitasking skincare powerhouse. And I can assure you when you use it, you'll know yourself. So when you try the serum, you'll find out that it's really lightweight because it's a unique blend of pearl protein and it's super rich in antioxidants and packed with minerals and vitamins as well. Now to see what's inside. Yay!
So to begin, make sure you shake the serum vigorously. This just ensures the whole contents goes within the pipette. Wow, look at the serum. Now what you'll see straight away is when I put the serum on my skin, it has like an iridescent kind of look to it, which is completely natural because a compound found within the pearls is what gives it the rainbow luminance. So this unique pearl protein promotes healthy collagen production, which inevitably results in plump, glowing skin. This is then blended with pure botanical extracts which are rich in antioxidants that are known to balance acne-prone skin without clogging pores. We then have the anti-aging element of the serum, which is frankincense, together with soothing lavender, which both work to soften the appearance of fine lines and surface wrinkles, while black seed then helps to restore the skin's natural glow. The grapeseed oil then hydrates your skin and improves the tone of your skin whilst balancing both dry and oily areas. And if you suffer with blackheads or blemishes, even acne, the sweet orange peel oil has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. With its high vitamin C content, it makes it one of nature's perfect cures for acne.
Can you guys see the glow? I know I have makeup on. I should have put it on clean skin, but I did want to show you guys what it looks like on your face. It feels so smooth and it smells so good. By the way, the serum itself you could either mix within your own moisturizer, you could use it within your skin routine, or you could use it as a primer before makeup application. Now that I've explained everything, I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it. Today is the 5th of December from 6 p.m. UK time, by the way. The serum is available to pre-order on my website. It's in the description as well, by the way. The launch date is December 7th, where it will be readily available for everyone to buy. So like I've said, I'm going to leave everything in the description below. And please keep your eyes peeled because I'm doing a giveaway, which means one of you will be getting a serum from me. And to wrap up the video now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys love the serum, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.